This activity is called the learner's registration to a consulta provider, and an initiative of the Philippine Health Insurance Corporation with the DepEd. And of course, ang implementer natin would be the local rural health unit and the school. What is going to happen is what is happening right now. First, the children with the parents' consents are registered to a consulta provider, and for this matter, it's La Trinidad Rural Health Unit. After they are registered with the rural health unit, they are now assessed. Yun po yung tinatawag nating first patient encounter. May i-screen po yung bata by our health workers. After the screening of the health workers, data, information, profiles will be taken using the form, and after which they will now be referred to the physician. The physician now does the consultation. So, registration to a consultant provider, provision of first patient encounter, and the last is the consultation by the physician.